Hi, I'm Quinn Dennehy. I will be doing my mini lesson. I'm doing the 5th grade, and in this classroom there are 16 students, 10 girls and 6 boys. The lesson will be a guided instruction, and it's over writing and interpreting numerical expressions, but more specifically the order of operations. I'll start the lesson by writing on the whiteboard what will we be learning today, and under that we'll say writing and interpreting numerical expressions. And on the smartboard I will put 4 times, and the following are in parentheses, 6 plus 4, and I'll ask around and see if anyone can solve that yet, from whatever they've learned before or prior to this. And obviously no one should know how to answer it. Then the instruction, we'll move on to the next portion in the instruction modeling. We'll go into the order of operations, and I'll focus on the acronym PEMDAS. P is in parentheses, E is in exponents, M as in multiplication, D is in division, A is in addition, and S as in subtraction. I'll explain that. I will write in like different colors, because that's students really benefit from that. Just really helps them memorize it. And after that, I will pass out a PEMDAS sort of cheat sheet. It has everything what I just said. It's more colorful, and if they need something, they just look at that sheet. Then we'll sort of sing a song that says, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." We'll say that a lot, kind of burn that into their brain. We'll use a lot of repetition there, because they're going to be using this for a long time after 5th grade. And this kind of falls under the standard 5.1 for Montana Common Core standards. It makes sense of problems and persevere in solving them. And I kind of think this means don't freak out or agonize when you see parentheses and exponents in an equation. Kind of just stick to your guns and look at the rules and kind of know what to do when you see something like that. Now we'll go to check your understanding. Well, before that, I want to make sure they have a good understanding of that, of the rules, PEMDAS, and everything. So we'll say, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Just make sure they memorize that really well. After they get that down, we're going to move to the check your understanding portion of the lesson. We're going to start with the problem on the smartboard, the 4 times 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is in parentheses. Obviously, we're going to go 6 plus 4 first, because parentheses is in it. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now all you have left is 4 times 10. That equals 40. We'll go through the order of operations, and if we need that, then if we need to do more, which we will, we'll do more examples. Like 3, we'll keep it simple. 3 times, in parentheses, 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is in the parentheses. So 3 plus 3 is 6 times 3. It's 18. And we'll keep going again. 7 times, parentheses, 5 minus 2. A little misconception could be you don't know whether or not addition or subtraction should go first. You got to go back to your rules and PEMDAS and the acronym, and you got to go through parentheses. Subtraction might throw them off. 5 minus 2 is in the parentheses, so that's 3. What you have left in the equation is 7 times 3, and that is 21. Through the assessment portion of the lesson, I will pass out, it's called Simplify the Equation worksheet. It has 8 questions, and there's a lot more, basically the same exact things, same principle. It's nothing too hard yet, it's just what we just did. We'll correct that, and to close out the lesson, I'm going to put on the whiteboard, what have we learned today? And I'll put 3 equations on the board and use equity sticks and to draw random names, make it really even. And we'll have those guys that were picked, we'll have them write on the board and solve them. And if we have any more volunteers, and especially time pending, we'll have them do it. That will close out my lesson. Thank you.